Hello everybody, Tia here. Brandon's not with me right now because Baby Yoda took his place. He's shy. I made a purchase today. Went to our local box lunch. Any guesses on what I have in the bag? I didn't think I was ever gonna purchase one of these, but I did. I've always thought that these were super cute and they have so many designs. So I made my first Loungefly mini backpack purchase. It's actually Brandon's fault. I'm blaming him because we're walking around the store and he goes, I really wish you had one of those. Usually when we go to the parks, we only carry one larger backpack. And I was like, well, I mean, I could get one. We have an upcoming trip for right before Halloween. I thought it would be perfect to use in the park because it is the Halloween. You got Minnie as a witch and Mickey's kind of holding on to the broom going, oh no. And then he's got his vampire pose and it has a cute velvet bow. It's got some padded straps. There's the one zipper pocket in the front. And then the big pocket. So it's your standard Loungefly. And on the inside, it's got Mickey silhouettes and Mickey pumpkin bats and brooms. It's adorable. I watch another YouTuber. Her name is Danielle from Mickey's Girls. And she is the Loungefly queen. In her setup, she has Loungeflies behind her, and in her videos, she changes them up, and I'm always like, oh, look how cute that one is. This was a very hard decision to make on which bag to actually get, because there are so many cute bags. I was searching the interwebs for probably about 3 weeks. I was searching all over Hot Topic, Box Lunch, Shop Disney, Loungefly.com, finding all sorts of designs. Like, oh, there's a super cute one with the 3 caballeros. There's also other Halloween designs. There was another Hocus Pocus one. There's a glow-in-the-dark ghost Mickey Mouse, and I saw a Zero one today. And there's so many to choose from. This is the one I ended up with because our upcoming trip is right before Halloween, so it's appropriate. So will this snowball? Probably. You see what the mug collection's going to. If any of y'all know anything about these bags, they are not on the cheap cheap. The regular price on this was $74.90. Did I pay that much? Absolutely not. We had a coupon for box lunch, so I was able to use that and get it on a small discount. I think our coupon was for 25% off, so my total was $59 and some change. Also, with this purchase, we received lunch money. So you spend a certain amount and they give you money to shop with later. I decided this is the one I was gonna get yesterday. This morning, I was doing more perusing. It's the matching wallet. They did not, however, have it at box lunch. So maybe before we go on our trip, the wallet will be out. Who knows? That's my wink wink to Brandon. First purchase in the books. Will it snowball? Who knows? But probably. I have great potential with that. Did you collect Loungefly? Or if your collector's item of choice is not Loungefly bags, is it mugs or stuffed animals? Let me know. Put it in the comments below. But until next time, remember, no capes. Be quiet. I'm trying to do a video here. And this morning, I was looking. Are you done?
No capes!